America, how are ya? Tom Hand here with Americana Corner. Today, we are talking about George Washington's call for unity in his farewell address. After 8 years in office, President Washington was ready to step down. He believed the country was stable enough to continue to thrive without him. In his farewell address, President Washington emphasized the need for America to stay united. He stated, "Unity of government is a main pillar of your real independence, the support of your tranquility at home, your peace abroad, of your safety, of your prosperity, of that very liberty which you so highly prize." The President reminded his fellow citizens that the nation's different geographical regions were more similar than dissimilar. Washington wrote, "The name of American, which belongs to you, must always exalt the just pride of patriotism." He warned against the rise of partisanship and the danger it poses to America. Washington stated, "The alternate domination of one party over another, sharpened by the spirit of revenge, is a frightful despotism and kindles the animosity of one part against another." So why should George Washington's call for unity in his farewell address matter to us today? Washington understood that for our great nation to succeed, we must remain united. Although differences of opinion were to be expected, we could not allow these disagreements to split us apart. Moreover, these discussions over important matters should be informed and civil. That is pretty sound advice, don't you think? Until next time, may your love of country lead you.